Keeping the fire burning in the bedroom is not rocket science. The reality is, plenty of couples have figured out how to keep things fresh in the bedroom even after being together for years. You may be wondering, what are they doing differently between the sheets? Below are some advice from therapists, relationship counselors, sex experts and more about the habits that will lead to great sex lives. Couples with the hottest sex lives do the following. 1. They don't obsess about orgasm. The earlier you embrace the fact that climaxing isn't the goal of every sexual encounter, the better for your sex life. For some partners, orgasm can be the only goal, while for others it can create a lot of pressure. Try connecting through touches rather than always obsessing about orgasm all the time. 2. They limit porn. Erotica or pornography can really heat up the bedroom for some couples. But the downside is that heavy pornography habit can tamper with some men's ability to get an erection and difficult to achieve orgasm with their partner. You have to realize that porn most times sets unrealistic expectations of what real-life sex is like. These unrealistic expectations over time would eventually cause sex life and experience to regress. 3. They read through each other. Everyone has a sexual starting point, and understanding your partner's sexual point is key. If you have observed, usually men can get in the mood instantly and without stimulation. On the other hand, most women need a cue to get aroused. Accommodating those differences can boost your mutual satisfaction. 4. They experiment. Most times what is done differently is simply to try out different moves, touches, positions and stimulations. Trying out a few new techniques may heighten sensations so that you can climax more often and bring back the spice to your sex life with your partner. 5. They seek gratification. The popular saying, "practice makes perfect," holds true when it comes to having and maintaining a great sex life. Have you heard of feel-good endorphins? Well, you would have to do things that increase the feel-good endorphins in your body, such as sex, exercise, laughing, dancing or any activity that brings you joy. The more attentive you are to the comfort and gratification of your partner and yourself, the better your experience. Couples with the hottest sex lives stay very flexible. When it comes to what you like, how often you want it, and how important it is to you. Sex has no stereotypes, it's different for everyone. Your libido and priorities can change or vary over time, depending on various factors like age, physical health, and the pressures of daily life. Staying flexible and curious will pave the way for a more fulfilling sex life. 7. They use therapy. Just in case you are having intimacy issues, then you should consider booking an appointment with a certified sex therapist, so you can be properly guided about arousal and desire. 8. They confide in each other. Did you know, according to studies, couples who aren't honest about what they do and don't enjoy in the bedroom are more likely feel dissatisfied. So be honest with each other. Let your partner know if your libido is lagging, or if you have trouble getting to orgasm, or if you feel self-conscious about your body, or if anything makes you uncomfortable. In summary, don't obsess about orgasm, limit porn, read each other, experiment, seek gratification, stay very flexible, use a sex therapist when necessary, confide in each other. In other words, be honest about your orgasm and libido. That's it, the 8 habits of couples who have great sex. For more health tips, check out our other videos. Also like, subscribe and share. Remember to always stay healthy, and see you tomorrow in my next video.